Hello everyone, no power on Google Nest Thermostat? No worries, it means that the system doesn't produce condensation that has nowhere to go. Well, this is Sonam Toronto as my YouTube channel name. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Nest Thermostat E74 in a very simple manner. It took me an hour to figure it out, but now I have got it. I'll show you in 5 minutes. If you see that error on your screen, all you have to do is check the power panel first. And if the line is stripped off, that's the first one. Check the red wire and reinsert it if it is loose or loosened up. The Nest Thermostat E74 error indicates that the thermostat is not receiving power to the RH wire. The red wire connects to heating, cooling, and fan. That's the most important part. Third one, condensation or flow in the drain pan. You have to check that one, the pipe, drain pipe. That's the one. The fourth one, check the fuse on the HVAC control board. If the fuse is blown out, you have to replace it. So there are 4 things need to be checked. Simple as that. All right, here we go.